very interesting. 48.62% voter turnout in the second phase of the district development elections in Kashmir. This is a slap in the face of this whole anti-election lobby, which wanted to plunge Kashmir into terror. Here's the voting figures and then our last debate.
The long queues outside polling booth in 43 seats in Jammu and Kashmir is symbolic of the change that Kashmir is waiting for.
The Jammu and Kashmir is going for the polls for the very first time, and in 8 phases the election has begun, and we are at the Samba district where the second phase of polling is taking place.
It is the first big election in Jammu and Kashmir after abrogation of Article 370, and the voter turnout reflects the aspirations of the people.
ये अच्छी परसेंटेजेस हैं कश्मीर की पहली उसके मुकाबले में, और जो थोड़ा इसमें आप बता रहे हैं फेज़ 1 और फेज़ 2 का डिफरेंस, फेज़ 3, फेज़ 4, फेज़ 3 आज से 3 दिन के बाद होगा 4 तारीख को। और फिर एक बार आपसे भी रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, सारे वोटर्स से भी जम्मू में कश्मीर में रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि लार्ज नंबर में आप आएँ।
People in large came out to vote and to exercise their democratic right, although more women participation was seen on ground when the polling began around 7 in the morning and was concluded at 2 p.m.
At a time when Pakistan tried to derail the democratic process by pushing terror, and terror sympathizers raised questions over democracy.
समझ नहीं आता है कि ये कैसा इलेक्शन है जिसमें आप कैंडिडेट को ही कैनवासिंग के लिए जाने नहीं दे रहे हो, तो वो कैसे लड़ेगा, वो क्या करेगा?
The close to 50% voter turnout is a slap in the face of the anti-election lobby.
जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर वहाँ की आवाम निकलकर वोट कर रही है डायनेस्टी फ्री जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए, करप्शन फ्री जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए, और वोट कर रही है डेवलपमेंट के लिए। D फॉर डेवलपमेंट, D फॉर डायनेस्टी फ्री, C फॉर करप्शन फ्री जम्मू कश्मीर।
The era of terror and turmoil in Kashmir is over. It's the dawn of development. Let's debate.
So Aqib, Renzu Shah, you can start tonight by maybe congratulating everybody who believes in the electoral process. And maybe people like Waqar Bhatti, Iftikhar Misgar need to understand that there is an unshakable faith in Indian democracy. And the biggest symbol of that is the turnout of almost 50% in today's DDC elections. It turns out that people really believe in the electoral process. So Aqib, Renzu Shah, they do. Iftikhar Misgar, you keep coming on my programs and abusing Indian democracy, saying nothing is going to happen. Today's turnout, Iftikhar, is a slap in the face of the separatist brigade that called for a boycott. Renzu Shah first and then Mir Junaid. Debate is open. Hashtag Kashmir for democracy. Yes, please. Yes, please speak up. Speak up.
I'm happy that people are coming out for the change, but whatever I was expecting after the abrogation, that's still not happening, because we want there should be 100% voting. Why we are failing? Still, अगर voting हो रही है अभी भी कम हो रही है. I'm happy कि no doubt कि increase हो रहा है. People are supporting change, but why still we are failing? Why there is not 100% voting? Why there is not above 50% voting?
People are supporting
That's my
Indian
question.
democracy.
We are not able to deliver our narrative. Why we are failing?
People are supporting
Why we are
Indian
failing?
democracy.
That's the question.
Mir, what
Why
this?
we are failing?
Okay,
What's the
Mir.
problem?
Mir, respond.
Yeah,
I think today is a great success. You're the only one who looks at it as a failure. Yes, please. You're the only one who looks at it as a failure. People are celebrating. You are astonished. Mir.
no,
Mir Junaid.
It's not.
Good
I'm
evening,
not
Mir
celebrating. I told you I'm happy that
Renzu
people are
Shah.
coming out for
Okay.
the change. But the question is why there are very less
You're not
number?
happy.
Because there are more numbers, there are very high number which are boycotting. What is the reason behind that?
Mir Junaid.
Can I speak now?
50% is a good number. Yes.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, you are. Continue.
अर्नब, अब अवाम बोलेगा, अवाम फैसला करेगा, अवाम चुनेगा और अवाम ही अपना मुस्तकबिल बनाएगा. Time for dynastic rule in J&K is over and people are all set to usher into the phase of real democracy. No more Mufti Saab ka khwab and Sheikh Saab ka ehsan to be spoken about, as all of this was a justification for the continuation of a dynastic dominance in political space of Kashmir. So we saw, the first of all, it's great to see the DDC elections on smoothly in Kashmir. We are all a part of history and we are watching the history getting unfolded in front of our eyes. The integration of J&K with the rest of India due to the abrogation is something that has not been envisioned by the political pundits across the globe. Everyone was expecting a reaction which would prove catastrophic to the association of J&K
Junaid,
with
that
India, but
BJP
to
is
everyone's
trying to hijack
surprise,
this
the
election?
course has been smoother than ever. The announcement of DDC elections broke the bubble of the
Mr.
Gupta
Mir
gang
Junaid, would you like to speak
quite
on
early, as
speak
they
on
got no
that
time to
BJP is trying
continue
to
with the
hijack
drama
the
of
election
370 restoration.
by booking all the mainstream people who are trying to participate in elections?
See, I would like today to congratulate the government of India for focusing on the developmental aspects of Jammu and Kashmir and leaving no scope of existence for separatism within the political discourse in J&K.
Let
The
me
focus and discussion
try to
in the
remind you, Mr.
society,
Mir
which is
Junaid,
the
you are
source of
also
political
you are also
perceptions,
Waqar Bhatti,
once
Waqar
upon a
Bhatti.
time you are also
redundant
be with
agenda
used to
supporting
be with the
isolation
Wahid
through
Para.
370
So
to
how
development
Wahid
and
Para is
progress.
criminal today and you can participate in elections?
See, you have to
I can
understand.
participate in elections and
This
vote.
by every
sympathizers
means is a
sitting on your
paradigm shift
panel,
in the
debate
politics of
TV panel
J&K.
today,
The
I have
Gupta
been
gang
exposed
has
today the
had a very
most.
little space to run the propaganda for
You,
isolation.
you,
With the
by
announcement
Mr.
of
Raina and
who is
Sarfaraz.
there by
PDP का
Pakistan
advice
have been
है,
exposed.
वहीद पारा
Yes, you have been exposed the most. The areas which fall are adjacent to LOC are on LOC. Bandipur registers 70%. Poonch registers 75% of voting. This is a slap on the face of people who support
Amazing.
Pakistan or their sympathizers. The
Wonderful.
areas which are on LOCs vote the
वोटिंग कितना
maximum. It
परसेंट
tells
होती
you.
है
It
उससे
tells you
मतलब जम्मू कश्मीर
exactly.
की आवाम को इस टाइम नहीं है
It tells you
वोटिंग चाहे
exactly. आपके अपने इलाके में
50% हो
70%
चाहे
वोटिंग हुई है. आप जैसे
90% हो
पाकिस्तानियों को थप्पड़ मारा है
जब तक हालात
पब्लिक ने
जम्मू कश्मीर
कि
में
पाकिस्तान
नहीं
से हमें
होंगे
दूर रहना है.
आप
इससे
कितनी
बड़ा
भी
थप्पड़
वोटिंग
क्या
परसेंट
पड़ेगा
दिखा लें
कि जो
दुनिया को
इलाके
हिंदुस्तानियों को
पाकिस्तान कश्मीर
उससे
के
फर्क
साथ
जम्मू
है,
कश्मीर
सबसे
के
ज्यादा
हालात
वोटिंग
को
हुई
नहीं
है.
होगा आपको एक दिन मानना पड़ेगा जम्मू मसला है जम्मू
आप
कश्मीर हल करने के
नहीं
लिए
है.
आपके पास कोई चारा नहीं है
आप भी हिंदुस्तानी है, बोलिए मत वकार भट्टी. You are also an Indian. What do you mean Hindustaniyon ko? You are an Indian. You are a Hindustani. Did you vote today? Waqar Bhatti, tell me. Waqar, tell me. Waqar, I have a question for you. Waqar, I have a question for you. Waqar, I have a question for you. I have a question for you, and that is simply this. Simply this. And Shafiq Mir is on the other side. He is the chairman of the Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference. A simple question for you. Did you vote? क्या आपने वोट किया?
मेरे गांव के हैं जनाब मीर साहब
Did you vote?
हम पड़ोसी हैं अच्छा किया आपने पड़ोसियों को बैठा दिया थोड़ा सा
Did you vote? Did you vote? Did you vote?
आजकल मीर साहब अपनी
Did you
पार्टी में
vote?
हैं अपनी पार्टी से उनको
आपने
आप
वोट
उनको
किए
अपनी
हैं?
पार्टी से पकारिए अपनी पार्टी से
मैं आपको क्या पूछ रहा हूं, आपने वोट किया कि नहीं किया? आपको सीधा
सर,
सवाल है
अभी
मेरा.
अभी
याना
सर,
मिर्चंदानी is avoiding the question. Did you
सर,
vote?
सर, मुझे वोट
Why is he
करने की,
avoiding
सर,
the
मेरी
question,
पार्टी
Yana? Why is he avoiding a simple question? Did you vote?
प्रेसिडेंट हूं और हमने बाइकआउट
Did you vote?
आई एम बाइकआउट
Did you vote?
टोटली
Did
बाइकआउट
you vote? That
बाइकआउट
means you lost. That's why you are frustrated today. Yana is on the left.
जम्मू
No.
कश्मीर
That's why you lost today. That's why you are looking so disappointed. That's why he says today it doesn't matter if people voted or not.
That you always trying to impress
He's
the wrong
frustrated
side.
because
You're always
so many people turned out to vote and people like him have become completely irrelevant today.
याना आप बंबई में रहे वही ठीक रहेंगे याना कोई जरूरत नहीं आपकी जम्मू कश्मीर में आप भागे आप तड़ीपार लोग हैं मैडम जी तड़ीपार है मैडम जी तड़ीपारों की जरूरत नहीं है मैडम जी क्या करें
बहुत ज्यादा disappointed हूँ. Why do you try to impress those people who don't even have faces? Those trolls, those Twitter terrorists. Why do you try to give them explanations? Why do you keep
Iftikhar
trying
Misgar
to
on the
impress
right.
them? Who are they? Who are they to you?
मैडम
Why are you
जाना
not
मैडम
loyal
आप
to your own government?
जाना
Iftikhar
मैडम
on the
मुझे
right.
लगता है कि
Your
आप
country where you're
कंफ्यूज हैं
born. The
मैडम
passport
जाना
that
मैडम
you're
आपकी
holding,
Iftikhar
जगह
Mizgar
है
on the
जम्मू
right.
कश्मीर में
that you're holding,
आपकी जगह
you
है
are
ही
not
नहीं जम्मू
loyal to
कश्मीर
them.
This hanky noise.
Iftikhar
I have a
Mizgar is
small
on the right. I
question.
mentioned that.
I have a small
My question is, see, Iftikhar, a question to you. Did you vote? Iftikhar, a question for you. Did you vote? Did you vote? Did you vote? Did you vote? Did you vote?
It was, the elections
you
were
vote?
not in my town. Elections were
Did you
not in
vote?
my town. There was no voting in town. And let me tell you that is what I wanted to tell you, Arnab.
So then why was
This
there
is a
so
small,
much
petty
voting all
election.
across Kashmir?
This
What
a
is the
small-
reason for that?
This is a small,
Since you ran a
small
campaign,
village election.
Iftikhar, my
Village
question to you is,
election.
and I want you to come, I want you to address the issue.
Why Indian
I want you to
government
address
is
the issue.
fighting it?
Since there was such a incredible participation in the electoral process,
Where?
you people like you, Mir Junaid is back on the debate.
2%
People
in
like
whole
you ran a
population.
campaign.
This
You
is a
supported
village
the terrorists who were
election,
killing
Arnab.
those who were
These
supporting
elections are
those
not being
who were
counted
participating in the
other parts of
election
the country.
process.
The government
When
is
ordinary
being hyped in this
Kashmiris were
election
targeted,
because
you
there's a
stood by the
mockery in the
terrorists,
international
and yet the
community
people
saying
came
that
out and
international
voted.
community
It is a
cannot
slap in the
Kashmir,
face of
which
people
is
like
not
you,
the
Iftikhar.
reality.
You are
Which
an
is not the
irrelevant
reality,
person
Arnab.
now. Because wherever you go in Kashmir, people will ask you, what kind of a politician are you who does not participate in an electoral process? Well, there's been a successful election. People are very happy. People are delighted. Look at Mir, he's so happy. You are looking very unhappy. Kashmir has told you today that they wanted the abrogation of Article 370. Kashmiris have voted today against 370. Whoever may win the DDC elections, the turnout means the people of Kashmir wanted the abolition of 370. Mir Junaid is on the debate with you, viewers. Few minutes. Mir.
These are for development elections.
Arnab, the wholesale dealers of Kashmir, these Gupkaris, they deceived the people with the idea of autonomy and self-rule, which they seem just for themselves while keeping the commoners away from the seat of power. We are now setting the platform of a three-tier Panchayati Raj setup, which is the epitome of democratization for anti-indirect democracy in the world. Now common people understand that they have the authority and they can turn things
on the
around
debate. Shafiq Mir. Shafiq Mir,
taken the Gupkar
Shafiq
by surprise
Mir,
as
chairman
well.
of the Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference. Iftikhar Mizgar is saying that the elections are irrelevant. I'd like to hear your view. I believe enough sacrifices have been made by various Panchayat leaders, many of whom have been abducted, many of whom have been killed, many of whom have been threatened. And Shafiq Mir, I want you to respond, Shafiq Mir, to Iftikhar Mizgar, who says the elections are irrelevant. Shafiq Mir on the left, please. Thank you, Shafiq.
The history of Jammu and Kashmir is going to get changed.
Shafiq Mir will now respond to Iftikhar.
Swami, this is a pro-day and pro-movement for me and for those who have sacrificed their lives for establishment of Panchayati Raj system in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. You must be remembering and knowing that since 2012, we have been fighting for the establishment of three-tier system, Panchayati Raj system in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And today it is the dream day for us and this is the proud day for us that three-tier Panchayati Raj system is going to be established in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which was rather a dream in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. I will not go in the debate of separatists or anybody else so far as the Gupkar alliance is concerned. If they want to make it a referendum, they should resign soon after winning these elections. Why they are exploiting people again and again? This is the first time when the three-tier system, Panchayati Raj system, like rest the states of the country are being established in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This is a proud day for us. We have sacrificed our lives. Our 20 sarpanches have been killed in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Mr. Shafiq Mir, मेरा एक सवाल है. अपने पड़ोसी का सवाल सुन रहे हैं. शफीक साहब, आप सवाल सुन लें. आपने काफी सालों तक पंचायत के सवाल उठाए हैं, बड़े जोरों से उठाए हैं, लेकिन आजकल आप अपनी पार्टी में भी हैं. जरा सा वो भी खुलासा कर दें. जरूरी होता है जम्मू कश्मीर की आवाम को बताना कि आप अपनी पार्टी के
जरा
भी
मैं
हैं।
खुलासा
मैं आपसे
करता
एक
हूं,
सवाल
जहां
पूछना
तक
चाहता हूं
अपनी पार्टी की आप बात करते हैं। जी जी
जी, मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या मुझे लगता है कि इसमें मैं आपके साथ साथ से जुड़ा हुआ, आपके पड़ोसी वाले गांव से ही जुड़ा हुआ। मैं आपसे सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं, जब आप अपनी पार्टी में ज्वाइन हुए, आपने तमाम पंचों सरपंचों की ठेकेदारी और उनको जाके बेचा है अपनी पार्टी के आगे। क्या आपने ये सरपंचों से पूछ के गए थे आप? यहाँ तो सरपंच मेरे कजन भी है, मेरी आंटी भी है। क्या आपने इनको पूछा? नहीं पूछा। आप सरपंच की ठेकेदारी लेते हैं।
पहली बात तो आप मेरी बात सुनिए, और सुनिए बात मेरी। हेलो मेरी बात सुनिए। यू आर नाइदर सरपंच नॉट
जम्मू कश्मीर के
यू आर नाइदर सरपंच। छोड़िए इस बकवास को, बंद कीजिए। आप मेरे से सवाल मत कीजिए। हमने इसके लिए कुर्बानियां दी हैं, मैंने पंचायतों की लड़ाई लड़ी है। Who are you? आप छोड़ो इसको, आप इस बकवास को बंद करो।
आप सौदा करते हैं
आप इसको बंद करो, इस बकवास को। यार मैं तुम्हें जानता हूं, छोड़िए इस चीज को। हमने इसके लिए कुर्बानी दी है, हमने इसके लिए लड़ाई लड़ी है, पंचायती राज सिस्टम खड़ा किया है। तुम किसके लिए काम कर रहे हैं? ये बकवास बंद करो, बंद कीजिए ये बकवास अपना। छोड़िए,
जवाब देना चाहता है।
यू नॉनसेंस पर्सन, आपको पता ही नहीं है क्या है पंचायती।
मुझे कहता था
I think Waqar Bhatti, 1 minute please. Waqar Bhatti, just because, okay, Shafiq Mir and Waqar Bhatti. First of all, Shafiq Mir and Waqar Bhatti, zara, 1 minute, Waqar, I'll tell you one thing. Calm down everyone. Shafiq Saab, I congratulate you. Shafiq Saab, I congratulate you. And I want to say one thing to you, sir. 1 minute, Shafiq Saab. Shafiq Saab, you stop a personal attack on the chairman of the Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference. Stop your personal attack. Your personal attack is a reflection of your frustration. There are people who have fought. There are people who have risked their lives. There are people who have gone out. Do you know that 80, 85-year-old people have gone out to vote? Do you know that a bride and bridegroom went out to vote? Do you know that the ordinary Kashmiri went out to vote? Do you know that young people and students went out to vote? All of Kashmir voted, and the fact is they voted against people like you. People like you have been voted out today. It does not matter to me which party wins. The fact of the matter is democracy has won. आप पर्सनल अटैक बंद करो। आप शफीक मीर is on the debate with Iftikhar Misgar. Shafiq Mir, Sarfaraz, 1 minute. Shafiq Mir's audio louder, please. Thank you. I am requesting here the personal attack of Waqar Bhatti, please. No personal attack. We are here to debate issues. Thank you. Shafiq Mir is on the debate. Shafiq Mir and Iftikhar Misgar are on the debate. I tell you one thing. I want to say something which I will not be able to say as long as he's on the screen. So help me, please. Thank you. The question is this. 1 minute, Iftikhar, listen.
Mr. Goswami, don't call
I
such
can only
paid
say one thing.
persons.
I congratulate Shafiq Mir. Shafiq Mir ji, I want to say something to you. I know what you've been through. I know how you've been targeted. And they will target you more. They will target you more because people are coming out and participating in the electoral process.
We don't care for these people.
You can call anyone names. You don't have the courage to vote. You don't have the courage to fight an election.
You belong to Hawala Party. Ali Baba
We
Charlie
fought
Shore
the
Party.
elections.
We know you in and out. We know
You're frustrated, Iftikhar.
We know you in.
You're frustrated, Iftikhar.
They are paid agents and they have failed. They have failed whole of the state. We have lost state because of the such elements.
You
We have
failed
lost
today,
state because of such elements.
Iftikhar, tell me 4 people will
We have
vote for
lost
you if you
everything.
participate
They
in the
have failed
election.
us. These people have failed us.
They are so. Today is a great. I agree with you.
Opportunists. Political hijackers.
I am very sorry to see such people.
All you people ran with 2 political parties and 2 families. You made all the money in Kashmir. For 50 years, you are calling others opportunists. Because people
They are
rejected you.
land grabbers. They
call
are
others
scam
opportunists.
suckers.
अरे ये
The
कहां से
people-
आ गया? ये तो he is the project of Bharatiya Janata Party. Product
I
of
am
Bharatiya
unable to
Janata Party.
understand who is this Waqar Bhatti and somebody else. They are just screaming here on payments.
अरे छोड़ो, तुमको कहाँ पता है? You are living somewhere in mountains and fountains. I am living in Anantnag town. I am living in Kashmir. We represent Kashmir. We know Kashmiris. हम यहाँ पे आप नहीं मानते हैं. You are hijackers.
Amit Rana is on the debate as well. Amit Rana, Iftikhar Misgar, on what basis do you say?
कश्मीर यार किसका है? कश्मीर तुम्हारा है, कश्मीर हम सबका है।
कश्मीर
किसकी बात कर रहे हो तुम?
कश्मीर हमारा
कहाँ पर बैठे हुए हो?
कश्मीर हमारा रहेगा। अरे
कश्मीर तुम्हारा है,
हमारा रहेगा। ये
तुम्हारी जागीर है, कश्मीर सबका है।
ये
हमारा रहेगा,
किसी भी चोर का नहीं है। This doesn't belong.
तुम हो कौन? तुम्हें जनता कौन है?
अरे छोड़ो, आप हमें नहीं पता आपको, आप कहां से आप बन के आ गए।
ओ छोड़ा, तुम तो एक पंच का इलेक्शन भी लड़के दिखाओ ना। तुम एक इलेक्शन लड़के दिखाओ, हो कौन? तुम मैं जानता नहीं हूँ।
3 इलेक्शन लड़े अनंतनाग कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से, मैंने असेंबली 3 इलेक्शन
कौन सा इलेक्शन लड़ा है? कौन सा इलेक्शन जीता है वो दिखाओ।
इलेक्शन लड़े,
क्या बात करते हो? चलो छोड़िए, आपसे बात नहीं करना।
मेरा नाम गूगल करो, फिर पता चलेगा कितने इलेक्शन
आप गूगल में जाके ढूंढना पड़ेगा वो लीडर कौन सा जिसको गूगल में ढूंढना पड़े।
तुम्हारी तरह बिकाऊ नहीं हूँ।
हु इज द पर्सन
बन गए तुम।
अरे कौन सा लीडर है जिसको गूगल में ढूंढना पड़े?
The chairman of the Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference gives it back to Iftikhar Misgar, saying, "Will you have to Google someone to find out if he's a politician?" Amit Rana, 1 minute, last word, 1 minute on the debate. Amit Rana.
Iftikhar Misgar is a man who comes, if you Google his name, it comes as a Pak sympathizer. You it right now. Iftikhar Misgar, I think you're using a Pak channel to Google your name. Go and do it on the right Google channel.
वो कश्मीर हमारा है, बस सिर्फ हमारा है।
वो कश्मीर हिंदुस्तान का है, वो पूरे हिंदुस्तान का है, हर भारतीय का है, हर कश्मीरी का है। हमारा आपका कुछ नहीं है। It belongs to every Indian. It belongs to every Indian. Kashmir belongs to every Indian. India belongs to every Kashmir. Forget those days. वो उमर अब्दुल्ला का भाषण अपने घर में रखिए। हमारी जमीन है, ये आपकी जमीन नहीं है। ये जमीन भारत की है, भारतीयों की है।
Well, the visuals of people voting, Yana, that's a stinging reply to the pro-Pakistan gang. Look at all the young women, men, students. You know,
120 years
yes, Yana.
in Kupwara, 120-year-old woman came out to vote. 105-year-old man came out to vote. और ये बिकाऊ किसको बोल रहे हैं? बिकाऊ तो शैला रशीद है। बिकाऊ तो तुम्हारे
Well, a big round of applause today for the people of Kashmir who have proven their faith in democracy and the fact that the abolition of Article 370 was something that the people of Kashmir support. That comes out in today's results. Ladies and gentlemen, with a promise to come back tomorrow at 9. Till then, good night and goodbye.